Losing weight after 40 can seem challenging with busy schedules and abundance of processed foods. Many people wonder, how can I boost my metabolism after 40? Contrary to common belief, recent research suggests your metabolism doesn't significantly slow down from your 20s to your 60s. This means lifestyle choices play a more critical role in weight management than age or genetics. Weight gain after 40. Research shows adults typically gain about 1 to 2 pounds per year, which adds up over time. Women often attribute middle age weight gain to hormones or a slowing metabolism, especially during menopause. While weight gain during menopause is common, with women gaining an average of 5 to 15 pounds, the main reason for midlife weight gain is consuming more calories than burned, not a metabolic slowdown. Why you gain weight after 40. A pivotal 2021 study in the journal Science analyzed data from people aged from infancy to 95 and found that metabolic rates do not significantly differ between men and women when body size is accounted for. The study identified four metabolic stages. 1. Peak calorie burning until age 1, gradual metabolic slowdown from ages 1 to 20, steady metabolic rate from ages 20 to 60, metabolic decline after age 60. Other factors contributing to weight gain after 40 include reduced muscle mass due to a sedentary lifestyle, high calorie consumption from processed foods, low intake of nutritious foods, insulin resistance, chronic stress, sleep deprivation, and certain medications. How to lose weight after 40. Losing weight after 40 involves similar strategies as at any other age. Here are key steps to start losing weight. 1. Clean up your diet. Become aware of your food choices and calorie intake. Food tracking can help maintain long term weight loss. Prioritize low calorie, nutrient dense foods. Avoid processed foods. Limit desserts, chips, fried foods, and sugary drinks. Choose whole foods. Eat items with one or two ingredients without added sugar or preservatives. Eat high fiber foods. Focus on vegetables, fruits, beans, and whole grains. Include protein. Add fish, yogurt, and legumes to control appetite. Watch portion sizes. Practice mindful eating and limit sugary foods and refined carbs. Try intermittent fasting. Fast for 13 to 16 hours 3 times per week to reduce calorie intake and improve metabolic functions. Number 2, meal prep. Set aside time for grocery shopping and meal preparation to avoid unhealthy last minute decisions. Preparing vegetables, proteins, and healthy snacks in advance can help maintain a balanced diet. Exercise consistently. Number 3, incorporate a mix of aerobic and resistance training exercises into your routine to maintain lean muscle mass and boost metabolic rate. Activities like walking, jogging, weight training, swimming, and cycling are beneficial. Not to mention HIIT or high intensity interval training coming up at the top. Number 4, get enough sleep and manage stress. Sleep deprivation and chronic stress can lead to weight gain by disrupting hormone balance and increasing appetite. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night and practice stress relief techniques like yoga, meditation, and spending time in nature. Limit caffeine and alcohol, especially before bedtime, and ensure exposure to sunlight during the day to regulate your circadian rhythm. Conclusion. Losing weight after 40 is challenging but achievable by maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Focus on a clean diet, regular exercise, stress management, and sufficient sleep. Intermittent fasting, food journaling, and using fitness trackers can also support weight loss efforts. If you struggle to lose weight, consult a dietitian or a healthcare professional to address potential underlying issues like hormonal imbalances.